Hi guys! Welcome to my video today. I'm going to show you guys a way to curl my hair using my favorite hair straightener from FURIDEN. I love this hair straightener because it's 2-in-1, which means I can use it to straighten or curl my hair in both ways. The round shape that can nicely curl loose wavy hair without floods. It's a new design, hot tool that can give me a salon look at home. With its own arc design, it's perfect for curling and straightening my hair. Well, enough said for now, and let's get started. Okay, now first we're gonna use this hair oil to moisturize my hair. And after, I'm gonna let it set in my hair and dry. And now we take the brush and brush my hair really carefully, so I can get more smoother hair, and like this is more easy to divide the hair. Okay, after we divide the hair in two parts, left and right, we have to pull the top of the hair up, and we can take it according to the eyebrow level from here, and we tie the upper part. After we tie it up, we take a very small section of the hair, depends how you want curl, big curls or small curls, and we take the flat iron and we need to put it, we push the hair backward and we twist the iron like this until you can see the hair is down, and after push it nicely downward. And like this you can get a very nice curls. Okay, let's try another one. We take the hair, the small section, and we put the hair straightener close to the root, and after we push the hair backward, we twist the iron until you can see this hair going down like this, and after we push it downward nice and smoothly. Here we get a very nice curls, as you see. Okay, let's do it again. We push the hair backward, we twist the iron until you can see the hair is going down, and you push it nicely downward. For the other side, I'm gonna do sections again, and I'm gonna do exactly the same way like I did with my left side. Is push the hair backward and twist the curling iron until you can see the hair is down, and after nicely push it downward. Okay, let's do that again. Push the hair backward and twist the iron until I can see my hair is going down, and after push it nicely downward. As you can see, it's very nice curls. Okay, let's do that again. Take a small section, push the hair backward, and after twist the iron until you can see the hair is going down. Okay, now we're done curling all the hair, and as you can see, I got a very nice wavy smooth hair. And if you would like to leave the curls for more longer time, you can use a hairspray. I am so in love with the work of this hair straightener. I got a very natural look, and as you can see, it's very shiny. I just love it, and it's very practical and multi-function thing. You can use it easily at the comfort of your home. I love this one. Thank you for watching my video.